To begin creating an Adobe Spark webpage, go to spark.adobe.com. Right here. Click on Get Started Now, and then continue with Google, ideally with your appstate.edu account. Once here, click on the plus sign and go to Web Page. At this point, anything that you do can be edited. So you might begin by adding a title, RC 1000 ePortfolio, and your name. You might also go ahead and change the background of this banner by clicking on the plus sign, which allows you to add a photo. From here, you could upload your own personal photo, or you can take advantage of the many free and ethical use images that are available through this software. If you're still deciding about your semester's theme, you might want to go with a more abstract image, maybe one that is based on color. Or if you feel confident about your focus, you might search for an image that is related to your personal practice. At this point, scroll to Start Your Story and choose from the various layout options. I'm going to go with a split layout so that I can have an image on one side and text on the other. This makes sense to me because of the assignment for this week, which is to create a section that is about you and your interests and your personal practice. So perhaps something that looks like the work of my former student, Hope. There you have her banner introduction, as well as an image of her beautiful face and some paragraphs that are talking about who she is, what her major is, what her interests are, and then how she settled on her thematic focus for the semester. Adobe Spark is pretty intuitive, so even if you don't consider yourself super tech savvy, you should think confidently. Have fun playing. Of course, reach out if you have questions, and thank you for watching this video.